Are you a leader in a team, possibly just working on a project, and you're confused about what leadership is about? In this video, I'm going to explain the ABCs of leadership. And you know what? We're going to further simplify this by likening it to being a driver in a car. That way you understand leadership better. So, number one, we are going to look at the A. The A talks about awareness. As a leader, you need to be aware of where you're coming from, where you are at the moment, and where your team is actually headed. And this will give you a clear path to know what to do and how best to do it. Just like a driver, before taking on a journey, you need to understand at what point you are and where your destination is. This will help you to know the best route to use, how much of gas you need on your car, and a lot more other decisions. This is very important for you to be able to navigate through leadership. So you start from the very first one, awareness. And then we look at balance. As a leader, you need to understand what balance is. And just as a driver will basically want to know when to speed up, when to slow down. And this is the same thing with leadership. In leadership, you have to balance things. You need to know when to run at a faster pace and when you need to slow down. You need to know when to delegate, and you also need to understand when you should be fully involved in the entire process. And of course, you need to understand when you're pushing for results and when you're just entirely showing care to your team member. Now, a leader without balance is just like a car without a brake. It can be fast, but very dangerous. In leadership, the C there stands for clarity. You need to be clear about the vision, the mission, and the goals you want to achieve. So clarity in leadership means defining your goals, communicating them clearly, knowing how to get there, the different steps you need to take to help you to get to where you want to be. Without understanding clarity, you will lead people in circles. Leadership doesn't have to be complicated. Start with the ABC. A, which stands for awareness of past and the present, and of course the B, which stands for balance and balancing your actions and emotions. The C stands for clarity, the clarity of vision, direction, purpose, and the goals. Just like driving, leadership is a journey, and the better you understand the car, the smoother the drive. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment.